Hello everybody, hello everyone. I'm Gabriela and this is Ted, and we run the TinyTalk Zurich Central and Gold Coast classes. We have classes on Mondays in Stellhofen, Wednesdays in Seefeld, Fridays in Sterfa, and on Saturdays in Seefeld at the American Women's Club. So if you'd like to come and join us, we'd love to have you. We have lots of crazy animals popping up. So we have our frog, ribbit, 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 or we also have our sleeping bunnies who like to visit class as well, or even our Incy Wincy spider. And we use lots of nursery rhymes in our classes, instruments, and lots of sensory activities. For example, sensory shapes, flashing balls for visual tracking, voiles for a little bit peekaboo. What else do we have? We also have lots and lots of book time and story time in our classes as well. And for example, in toddlers, we've been talking recently about colours, and so we also have lots of colourful pom-poms to play with. And in babies recently, we've been talking about toys that we play with when it's rainy outside, and so we at home, and for example here is my rocket, and we go whoosh up to the moon. We zoom to the moon. What else? And so yes, we use lots of fun noises for the little ones to explore and engage with. So please come and join us. You can find us on Facebook, on Insta, or you can visit my website, TinyTalk Zurich Central and Gold Coast in Switzerland. So looking forward to meeting you soon. Bye.